Have a bite. Let's get started. Finally got them. Let's get into it. Let's hope they're the right ones. Just kidding, I already know I've already got into it. But for suspense, let's hope they're the right ones. Start with the brackets. No raised blades, so I'm gonna use a screwdriver. But, man, they made it super easy to get the right seat back. Like, no hassle, no nothing. Huge thanks to Corbeau. All I did was call them, tell them what happened, and they're like, oh yeah, we'll get you the right one. We're sorry about that. Thanks to FedEx for delaying it a couple days. Nothing they could really do about it. FedEx is at fault for that. But now we got them. It was supposed to be a week and a half ago is when I was supposed to get them. And I got them Tuesday. Yeah. There's a freaking ferret. What? It's like a little weasel thing. Oh, it was so cute. What the? Alrighty then. It was so cute. Got ourselves some nice slider brackets, because you know I'm tall, and if I set it for myself, not a lot of people could drive my truck. So I got some slider brackets, so that way if, you know, girlfriend or Cameron or anybody else wants to try and drive it, they can actually adjust it for their foot pleasure. So that way they can hit the pedals. Foot pleasure, what the heck? For their driving pleasure. So they can actually hit the pedals instead of 6'7" me having a seat slammed all the way back and their poor little feet can't make it. Gotta give them a little booster seat, you know? But there's one, the other one's the same. So we'll get to the fun part. Don't worry, we're installing them in this video too, so. Not just, surprise, goodbye. It's a surprise seats. So yes, I've already been into them. Unfortunately, I had to make sure they're the right ones before I just get on camera and go, hello. But, oh. Oh, actually pretty light. Here they are. It looks way smaller on camera. It's not. It fits me. Trust me. Went with the 3-inch harness holes so that way my shoulders fit and my passenger's shoulders fit. Because, you know, with a harness, you want the harness to come up and then right over your shoulder. You don't want your shoulder to be below the harness bar or the harness hole. Then that gives you room to move up and down. Not a fun thing. So that's why I went with these ones. I was gonna go with PRP, but they don't. They're what is it? Lead time for custom seats, doesn't add the extra 4 inches to the top, is 14 weeks. I'm hoping to have this running by then. So found these ones. Super nice seats. I liked how big the bolstering was on these. Turn to the side, you can see the bolstering here actually like holds you in. It's really snug, but I wanted that kind of fit because I don't like moving around. I had seats where I moved around a lot and it was not fun. Sorry if I keep looking up. I'm making sure that you guys can see all that's in the shop. Got a sticker? If you ever need seats, see these guys. They're great. When you call them, it's not a robot that answers, it's an actual person. Oh yeah. Oh, we got a sticker! Now this is what you're looking for in a package. So you want a nice sticker with what you get, you know. It ain't premium if you ain't got a sticker. Not true, but you know, make yourself feel a little bit better. Woo! That looks pretty tough. Just kidding. But now, put them in the truck. Side note, forgot to put this in there. It comes with the hardware needed. That is awesome. That is all. Thank you. Okay. I got lucky with how I did the tunnel. Unfortunately, I oversighted something. Let's get you in here and see it. This being a bench seat, you can see where bucket seats go, but where they drilled for bench seats. So I'm gonna have to drill a hole for my bracket to fit into place, but everywhere else it fits perfectly. So, slight little oversight on my part, but that is okay. Happy little accidents, right? Should probably mount these to the seats before I mount them to the floor. That would be a pain. Oh yeah, we're mounting these to the seats first. Oh. Hopefully I didn't put... There's a driver and a passenger one. Yeah. Oh. I'm done. Passenger side. Dang it! Put it on the wrong side. Well, gotta do it again. It says driver's side right there, guys. Hey, it passed QC. There we go. Yep, this is a little tight. Alright, passenger side is now done. There we go. Alright, now we can install them in the truck. And remember guys, this is just pretty much a mock-up. Like, I still gotta paint the floor, still gotta paint the tunnel, put the wires away. Like, I haven't put the wires away yet because I'm gonna wait till I get the fuel cell and stuff hooked up, so that way I can see if it'll actually run by itself. It fired up. We got it to fire up, but that was off of starting fluid. I want to make sure that the injectors work and fuel pump works and all that kind of stuff. So, still kind of a mangled mess, but yeah, mock-up only, not an actual, like, final install of anything right now. There we go. That's all the way forward. There we go. Alright. Let's go ahead and get our seat bolts in. Oh, yeah. Get this out all white. Oh, dude. Yeah. This is gonna be sick. I was afraid of, pretty close. See, that's why I'm not doing an interior cage. Tall guy in a Toyota. I got about maybe 1.5 inches, 2 inches from the ceiling, but harnesses, helmets. But that's why I'm not doing an interior cage. This is way too small of a cab for someone my size. Fits perfectly with the tunnel. Oh, the only thing is the shifter seems like it'll be far away. We'll find out. Oh, that's the only pain I'll see. Getting out with that thing in the way. I'm gonna get a detachable steering wheel so that way it'll be a little easier. Yeah, detachable steering wheel is a must. Wiring up and out of the way. There we go. Let's see. Oh no, that is perfect. Yes, dude. Short people want to drive? Oh my goodness. Real short people can drive if you want. This is exciting. Oh man. You guys I can't wait for you guys to see the color I'm gonna paint this thing too. I wanted to go for something a little bit different. Roll cage. As I was saying with roll cage, we're doing an exterior one instead. 2 hoops. 1 main hoop, and then another main hoop right beside it next to the window. Do like a little cross pattern on top, so that way, you know, I'll probably do just over the driver's spot, since how tall I am. I've heard like horror stories of like rocks coming between the X, will come between it and hit. I'll probably do some straight bars across just over the driver's side, just so that way it's extra protection, because, you know, I don't want my noggin getting crushed. Yeah, let's finish installing these things and see the final product. Alright, pulled one of the brackets off the seats. Make it a little bit easier to pop this in here. Just like so. See where it mounts. So we quite literally need to drill out that. Perfect. Nice. Now I can just find a bolt, bolt it up, and then what I'm going to do is tack the bolt into place, so that way it's just like all these. You just need nut, bolt, then tack the nut into place, so that way all you need is a bolt. There we go. Terminology. Woo. I'm going to have to, on this side, grind down a weld real quick, because it was interfering with the bracket, so I'm going to do that real quick. Might need to take a little more off. A little more off of the high corner there. Okay. Let's try to make it indent. Perfect. Much better. Bolt them all the way in, and then get underneath, tack those nuts on, and then seats will have a permanent mounting place. That went from righty tighty to righty loosey. That one went in the right way. It's gotta be the bolt hole. It's not me. No. Okay, maybe it was me. Whatever. Don't talk about it. Oh yeah, no, this slides way better now. That bolt hole lines up, that one lines up. Woo! It's like I've done this before, but I haven't. Have an idea. Might suck, might work out. I'm gonna cut the washers off of these. See if I can get those to work. Oh yeah, look at that. Do one, and flip it, do the other. That went through a lot easier than I thought it would. Let's see if it will work. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Boom. One done. One to go. Did I catch it? I did. I caught it. Boom. Two. Let's get those puppies tightened down and tacked in. There we go. That'll work. Ow. Ow. Alright, we got those all tightened down. So now we're going to go underneath the truck, tack up the nuts, and yeah, that will be done. I know this is kind of a short video, or it might be like not much going on in it, but right now we're getting prepared to go on a trip to the dunes. There'll be a video about that. Like, might be a couple videos, might be one, don't know yet. But make sure the bikes are all ready to go. Cameron's making sure his stuff is ready to go, so he's not going to be here till after this month. But yeah, so want to get a video out to you guys on something at least going on with the truck, and I figured that the seats were pretty fitting since we've been waiting on them for a little while now. But yeah, let's go underneath and tack those up. All right, as you can see, they are freaking solid. Got ourselves some good old seat mounts now. I'm happy. I'm so happy that I have seats in here now. Like, oh, it's been a long time coming. I ordered those a while ago, got the wrong ones, then they sent us the right ones. Oh, the brackets fit super nice. They fit super well with the tunnel. Like you can see, just a good enough gap right there. You can see what I was talking about down in there with how the tunnel and the bracket were super tight together. But that'll do it for this one. Like I said, not a lot going on in it, but got our seats in, got the brackets done, got the nuts all tacked up. Like pretty productive. Next video, I will fix the rear axle, start stripping the front axle to get put in. Gotta cut all the mounts and stuff off of that one. I don't even know if I'll post that or if I'll just like do another montage thing, because it's just gonna be me cutting. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below what you want to see next, and have a good day.